diving with Piranha Dive Center in Okinawa, Japan, doing a beach dive in central Okinawa, and we're heading out with some black tip DPVs. We're going to hit 2 dive sites in 1 dive. It's a little bit cold in March. It was 69 degrees Fahrenheit and 21 degrees Celsius. So I had a 7 mil wetsuit with the top over that, and I was still a bit chilly. I should have brought a dry suit. We saw some nudibranches, and we saw some really nice coral walls and valleys, and lots of sea snakes too. So that was a banded sea snake. And we've got Winnie from Piranha Dive Center from Japan. She's found us some more banded sea snakes. These are very venomous. And this one took off and it swam right through our group here. You can see we stopped the scooters and we're just taking a look at it. And a spider conch, those are really cool. A sea cucumber, and a spotted eagle ray, which seemed to sense us and took a big dump and then just sped off into the blue. Dive guide Bas is watching them leave. And this next creature is really cool and also really rare. This is a cockatoo wasp fish, otherwise known as the leaf fish. It's highly venomous, and it's usually nocturnal. Very rare, and you can see it sways back and forth with the surge. And we've got some clownfish and some anemones here, which are always pretty awesome. And Bas is leading us back to the beach, and we've come across another sea snake. Banded sea snake. And we've got a boat of divers here on the second site. We've covered 2 sites today. And Winnie is showing us the way back. We've got some Christmas tree worms here, which like to pull themselves into the coral when they sense you close. And some batfish, a school of batfish. And some other schools of fish as we get closer to the beach, getting shallower, passing around some nice coral formations. And I just want to give a big thank you to Piranha Divers for providing us with such excellent gear. They had some rental X-Deep side mount rigs, top of the line dive right side mount regulators, and black tip scooters, which were fully charged and ready to go. And they showed us a great time, a couple different dive sites, and we had a great week diving with Piranha Divers. Check them out if you find yourself in Okinawa.